ECIU stands for the European Consortium of Innovative Universities. We are diverse as a group of institutions. We work in different countries, but we have many things in common. And one of our commitments to innovation and to using the knowledge base to solve problems, to interact closely with society and industry. And I've seen over the years that we are becoming very coherent, much more focused on how we're different to other universities, and very focused on how we can add value to the economy.
15 years ECIU has meant 15 years of successful collaboration between the institutions, working on student exchange. Several hundred students have been on joint degree programs or on student mobility programs between the ECIU members. 15 years ECIU means a lot of exchange between staff members. We run a very successful leadership development program for a couple of years now, in which each year some 20 staff members of different institutions follow a program, discuss with each other, get to know each other, get to know how university works in other European or other countries.
Now it will continue in the future Horizon 2020 program as a Marie Skłodowska-Curie program. This is actually a mobility program for researchers for their career development and training. There are different 8 modalities, so either for individual researcher or for network of universities or for staff exchange. There are different variety that we have now. We are also strongly encourage the mobility between sector and between different disciplines, and this is then later on evaluated by our external evaluators, and the projects are granted. The more aspect of mobility they have, the better it is, and the more we are supporting this research project.
The demands on doctoral candidates for learning are becoming bigger and bigger, and the reasons for those are that the big corporates of yesteryear, the big companies that naturally do a lot of research and development in-house, have been replaced to a larger extent by smaller, medium-sized enterprises who have less tradition for doing their own research and development. But there's a real need for PhD students and researchers to be able to understand the challenges those SMEs have, and to give them their knowledge and to help them solve technical and service problems in order to add value to what we do in Europe. So a very challenging time, and I believe personally that they're at the heart of economic prosperity.
Well, in 2020, I hope that ECIU still is a very active collaboration between universities that are considered to be in the heart of not only excellent research and education, but also in the heart of economic development in their respective countries and in Europe as a whole. So that ECIU and ECIU universities are considered to be indispensable if Europe wants to maintain and develop its position as a knowledge-intensive economy in the way the European Union means it.